Hello guys, welcome to Handmade Cards Ideas Channel. Today we are going to visit India's largest art and craft store chain where you can shop for various art and craft materials for your school projects, Christmas decor and all Christmas related products, card making, sculpture painting, resin art and many more art form material is available on ITSY BITSY. So let's go visit ITSY BITSY store which is located in High-Tech City, Hyderabad. So let's go! Yay! We just reached ITSY BITSY store. Let's enter into the crafter's paradise. ITSY BITSY has 36 stores pan-India. In Hyderabad, they have 2 stores. One is this store in High-Tech City and the other one is in Jubilee Hills. These are glitter star hangings and some handmade flowers. These are Santa hats and caps. And it's me posing here. Conical Christmas trees in different colors available. They are glittery, beautiful. They are also available in smaller sizes and all pretty Santas here in different sizes and colors as you can see, and some decorative stuff here for Christmas decoration. And these are some decorative items. Christmas embellishments, we can use them in various art forms like card making, scrapbooking, etc. and some other decorative material like wreaths, glittery sock. These are glittery bauble hangings to decorate your Christmas tree. Different colors and shapes are also available. Here comes one of my favorites, very beautiful wreaths available in different colors and designs. Some other decorative stars and hangings are also available. And I loved these belts so much. The colors and quality is awesome. And this is the beads section. They have a lot of various types in colors and in shapes. This section is all about adhesives, tacky tapes, foam tapes and various types of glues are there. Then we have this wool section here, some dyed buttons and all related material. Then scissors and all quilling material, flower making tools, along with beautiful bloom foam shades from which we can make beautiful handmade flowers. ITSY BITSY has online store too. To shop online, visit www.itsybitsy.in and use our coupon code HCI5 for additional 5% discount on your bill. And I will mention the physical stores of Hyderabad addresses in the description below so you can directly go and visit the stores. It is one-stop solution for all art and craft supplies. Lot of products are manufactured by ITSY BITSY under the home brand Little Birdie and are proudly made in India. Again, one of my favorites, thin cut dies used for card making and scrapbooking like flowers, slime cards, envelope making and many more designs are available in these. And these are pattern sheets I use in my YouTube videos, also called as printed cardstocks in different colors. This is the paper trimmer I'm currently using. It is used to trim the sheets as well as to score the papers. This trimmer literally makes your craft work easier. Blades are also can be changed. They are separately available here. And this is the wooden section. All MDFs are available here in different shapes and sizes, and also for different purposes. We have hangings, posters, trays, numbers, alphabets, pen holders, key holders, etc. etc. You can see pretty shapes are available here like stars, hearts, butterflies, elephants and many more. These are all chalk paints and are very popular in the store. They have wide range of colors and shades available. Some molds in different sizes and shapes. macrame art material, stencils and brushes. My favorite section again, these are all handmade flowers in beautiful colors and designs. We can use them to decorate scrapbook, cover page or for wall frames. Some card making embellishments and laces. So yeah, definitely ITSY BITSY is heaven for all the artists and crafters. ITSY BITSY also supports rural women empowerment and employs around 3,000 women directly and indirectly. Go visit your nearest store to shop for this Christmas and for all art and craft supplies. And do not forget to use our coupon code HCI5 for additional discount on your bill. I will give all the other details in the description below. I hope you all enjoyed this store tour visit video. I will come up with more such videos in future also. Until then, stay tuned, take care, bye.